In this video, we will be talking about the difference between let, var and constant. Very important concept from modern JavaScript and which is extremely important and extremely useful in React programming also. So let's start with let, var and constant. So what are var, let and constant? So var and let and constant are the keyword which is used to create a variable. So while var and let creates a variable, that means it creates a variable which value can be reassigned, replaced or changeable. While const is a keyword which creates a constant, like which creates a variable whose value cannot be changed or cannot be reassigned once it is assigned to some value. That means once some value is assigned to a constant variable, JavaScript does not allow to change it throughout the program. So second difference between these three keywords are var keyword is always there in JavaScript since the beginning, while let and constant introduced in ES6 which is a version of JavaScript. And the third and the most important difference about these keywords are like var keyword has a function and global scope, while let and const keyword has block scope. So what do you mean by scope? So scope is something which defines where the variable are accessible or visible inside your program. So like where you can access or you can visible these variable within the program, while this is a block scope, it's a function scope or it's a global scope. So there are mainly two types of scope, global scope and function scope. So global scope is one like which is accessible to anywhere within the program, while the function scope is one, it is accessible within the function only where they are created in. So the variable which are created in function, they are visible to that function only, not throughout the program, while the variable which has a global scope, they are accessible or visible throughout the program. Like if we declare a let's suppose a variable say x, and we define we initialize with some value, and there is a function name something, and here within the function, within the boundary of this function which is defined by these curly braces, if we define any variable here within the body of function, this is called the function scope, and this is accessible within this curly braces because this defines the boundary for this function, while this variable x, it's a global scope because this is defined outside the function and this is global to the program, and this variable is accessible throughout the program. So now coming back to our main question, like what is the difference between var, let and constant. So let's understand the difference between var, let and constant first, then we will find out the difference between var and let keywords. So as we know, like var and let are the keywords which creates a variable whose value can be changed or reassigned, while constant is a keyword which creates a variable whose value once assigned cannot be changed or reassigned. That means once we assign a value to a constant variable, it will be same throughout the program and we cannot change the value of a const variable. Let's see this in editor. Let's try to figure it out, like what's the difference between a variable created by var and let keyword and with the const keyword. So let's go to the editor first. So here in the editor, I have defined a variable called name and assigned the value as Amitabh. And here in line number 3, I tried to reassign the value for this variable. So when I was trying with var keyword, it is allowing me to reassign the value, and I am able to reassign the value with the var and let keyword. So same here with the let keyword. When I change this var to let, I am getting the same output. So name with before reassignment is Amitabh from line number 2, and name after reassignment is Jaya from line number 4. While when I change this var or let to const, I get an error. Why? Because on line number 2, this variable gets the value for Amitabh, but when on line number 3, when I try to reassign the value for this variable, it doesn't allow me to change. It is saying assignment to the constant variable. That means it is it is intentional that the variable which is declared by const keyword cannot be changed or reassigned. So this is the main difference between const and var and let. So const is the variable whose value cannot be reassigned or changed throughout the program once it is assigned to some value. Now we know the difference between var and let and constant. Now we can see the difference between var and let. What is the difference between var and let keyword? Var keyword allows to redeclare a variable within the same scope. That means if we try to redeclare a variable within the scope, var keyword allows that, but let keyword throws an error. So here I declare a variable called name and assign a value Amitabh to it, and I'm printing the value of this variable. So if I'm trying to declare a variable with the var keyword, if I try to redeclare the value of this variable within the same scope, it is allowing me. Like here I am redeclaring the same variable within the same scope as Jaya, and it is allowing me, and it is assigning and redeclaring the same variable within the scope. But when I try the same thing to do in with the let keyword, it doesn't allow me. Like with the let keyword, it is giving me error. It is throwing an error saying identifier name has already been declared on line number 3. So the let keyword doesn't allow to redeclare the variable in the same scope, while we can always redeclare the variable within the different scope. For that, for example, I have declaring a function called greet, and in this function I am redeclaring a variable with the same variable. I am redeclaring it, but in the different scope, and I am giving this as a value Abhishek, and I am declaring other variable. Let's see, age is 40, and I'm just consoling the value of age and name, these two variable. Now you can see that I'm getting no error here, and when I try to console the value of name here, I get Amitabh, and I try to call a function. So what did I do here is I have declare a variable name as in Amitabh, and I declared a function which is having the same variable name. So here I am redeclaring the same variable with the let keyword, and now this is allowing me to redeclare this variable because now the scope has changed, because I am redeclaring this variable within the function, and function has a different scope. This is a block scope or function scope, but not in the same scope. This variable has a different scope from this variable, so that is why it is allowing me to redeclare this variable. And you see, so if I comment this, so you see here in function, this is the global scope. This variable has a global scope, and this is visible here as well as in function as well as outside the function. As you see, this console gives me the value Amitabh, not Abhishek, because Abhishek is visible within this curly braces, within this function. So when I call this function, I get to execute this function, and I got the name and age, this console line number 6, and from line number 6 I am getting this Abhishek and 40. But as soon as this execution has ended, the name has got the value which was there in the global scope. This name, this variable has no accessibility outside this scope, which is within this curly braces. So if I change this variable name to name1, you see it is still Amitabh, because I am printing the value of name here. So Amitabh has a global scope, and this Amitabh is visible within the function and outside the function, right? Because this has a global scope. So global scope variable are accessible throughout the program, while this this variable with the value of Abhishek, this has a function scope or local scope or block scope, and which is they are visible in within the function in which they are created. As you can see, we can access this variable within this function, but as soon as this function gets in, we get the value of name as Amitabh, which is the global one. So it is clear that with the where keyword we can redeclare a variable within the same scope, while let doesn't allow us to redeclare variable within the same scope, while we can always redeclare a variable within a different scope with the let keyword. We have seen this in editor. So the second difference is between where and let is where has a function or global scope and let has a block scope. What do you mean by function and global scope? So in editor, so the scope which the curly braces which is following with the function keyword has a function scope, and this function scope always comes with where keyword. For the let keyword, it is always a block scope. Block scope means the scope within the curly braces within which they are created is the space for their accessibility. Like if I have created this variable within this curly braces, so this variable is accessible within this curly braces if I am creating a variable with the let keyword. But if I am creating the variable with a where keyword is always like a global scope like this, or the function scope, and function scope starts with a function keyword and the curly braces following the function keyword. So to understand it more clearly, let me change this let keyword to the where keyword. If I convert this let to the where, the output will be the same. Here, this name has a global scope, while this name and age are the function scope. And you can see this name, the Abhishek, is not accessible outside the function. This is accessible within the function. So where keyword creates two scope. One is the global scope and one is the function scope. And please note that the function scope is one which has a curly braces after the function keyword. So the function scope is the one which is created within this curly braces after the function keyword, while all other curly braces are the global for the where keyword. While in let keyword, when we are using let keyword has a scope started with the curly braces. So let is accessible within the block in which they are created, while the where, everything is global for the where keyword except this function definition. Function definition, the variable which is declared within the function definition has a function scope. So here Abhishek has a functional scope and accessible within the function, while Amitabh has a global scope. Let's understand what is the function scope and the block scope. So here I have created this another scope with the if statement with the where keyword. So you can see that I have created a variable with hobbies, and I have assigned some value like modeling and acting to this variable, and I am printing this hobbies here in this scope which I have created with this curly braces, as well as within the function as well as outside the function. So you can see here, so it is getting consoling the modeling and acting from this hobbies within this scope within the this curly braces, line number 6 printing, and then I'm getting the console log from this name and hobbies, and then from this function, when I call this function, I'm getting name, age and hobbies from within the function. So you see this this variable which is created in this block within this blocks is a global. So when we are creating any variable anywhere without a function keyword, this is treated as a global variable which has a global scope if we are using the var keyword. If we are using a var keyword and it is created within the function body, it is having the function scope. Otherwise, if we are using the var keyword other than that that is created within the function body, other than that any variable created anywhere is treated as a global variable and has a global scope. While in the case of let, it behaves differently. So I am changing this var to let. So I am changing this all variable created by var to let, and see what happens now. So I am changing this variable also to var to let. In the case of let, it behaves differently. So I am changing this var to let. So I am changing this all variable created by var to let, and see what happens now. So I am changing this variable also to var to let, and you see the output changes. Why? So I am getting hobbies from this console, like I am getting modeling and acting from this console, but after than that when I try to console this name and hobby which from the global variable, I am getting hobbies is not defined, because this hobby has the accessibility or visibility. This hobby has a block scope. Block scope means the variable created within that curly braces. So this variable is created, this hobbies, this variable is created within this curly braces and with the let keyword. If the variable is created with the let keyword, so this scope limited to the curly braces until this is closed. So its scope begins from this curly braces at line number 4 and ends at this curly braces at line number 7. So this is accessible within this block only, because we are created this variable with the let keyword. And after that, after the ending of this scope, after we end this block by this curly braces, it is not defined. When I try to access this hobbies to this console, it is not defined. When I try to access this hobby in function, it is not defined because it is visible or accessible within this scope. So this is the main difference between var and let. So var has two scopes, global and function. The function scope which is declared within the function body. Other than that, every variable created with a var keyword is treated as a global variable and has a global scope. While when we try to create a variable with a let keyword, it is defined, it is accessible within the block if this is created, no matter it is a function keyword or not a function keyword. It is all the variable has the accessibility or scope or visibility within the curly braces or the block in which they are created. So var keyword has a function and global scope, while let and const has block scope. Block scope means block scope is created with the curly braces, while the function scope is created with a function keyword.